Welcome back everyone. I'm excited to show you this recipe today. It's a really quick one, 2 ingredients. I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender and the Breeze Dehydrator to make some choc banana fruit leather. I love recipes like this because they're high value, low effort. If you've got some bananas that are perishing on the bench, that's great. The more ripe they are, the better. Mine aren't quite as ripe as I'd like them today, but that's okay. It's still worth doing. These are really, really great for the kids' lunch boxes when they're asking for roll-ups, but you want a healthier option. They're good for snacking anytime, anywhere, and adults love them as well. Let's get straight into it. Peel 4 overripe bananas and break them into chunks before placing them into the Vibe blender, along with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Blend on smoothie mode for around 40 seconds or until completely pureed. Place 4 silicone mats onto the Breeze Dehydrator trays and pour the puree directly onto the silicone mats evenly, smoothing them out with a spoon. You can tap the trays on the bench if you like to remove any air bubbles. Now set the dehydrator to 55 degrees Celsius or 131 Fahrenheit and the time to 10 hours. When it's finished, the fruit leather should feel a little bit tacky, but it should peel away from the silicone tray easily. If the center is still wet or they feel sticky to touch, switch the dehydrator on for another 2 hours. Cut the fruit leather into strips with scissors and you can store these in an airtight container at room temperature for several months. So there you go, our choc banana leather straps. The easiest recipe you'll ever make if you've got yourself a Breeze Dehydrator. There's so many more things you can do with this machine, so check out the blog for more ideas. You can grab some of these silicone mats on the Luvele website, as well as these awesome vacuum canisters to keep them fresh for longer. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our recipes to come. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon.